It can be hard getting started on YouTube, with most beginners struggling to even get one view on their YouTube videos. Well, in today's video, I'm going to tell you how to get your first 500 views starting right now. What's up, money makers? Welcome back to Money Making Ideas, the best place to learn how to grow your affiliate marketing business using the power of social media. My name is Stephen Horn, affiliate marketer and online entrepreneur. So I am making this video because I just hit the milestone of getting 500 views on December 1st, 2019. But the fact of the matter is, many channels aren't as lucky as mine is. In fact, many of the people that I started off with at the same time are struggling to get even 2 views per video. Now, there is a number of lists of things that I do for my YouTube channel and my YouTube videos that they just don't seem to take the time to do. The main reason they're not getting views is because they've been focusing on using the follow for follow method, which, although it does get you new subs, it doesn't get you new views. In fact, when YouTube starts seeing that you're getting subscribers, some of the first people that they're going to send your video to is your own subscribers. If your own subscribers don't even click and watch your own videos, then YouTube isn't going to send it to anyone else. Your video is going to die right there and then. But there is an easy way to get views on your YouTube videos. In fact, in today's video, I'm going to talk about 5 things that you can do to get your first 500 views. So the first thing you want to do is create content that is targeted towards pioneer viewers. And what pioneer viewers are people who are willing to give new YouTubers a chance. Now, you can do this in 2 different ways. The first way that you can do this is with your thumbnail. Now, there are 3 tips I can give you to create a good thumbnail. One is to use big text on your thumbnail, because if your thumbnail does show up in a suggested video, then it'll be easier for people to see what your video is about, and it's a good way of capturing people and making them want to click on your video in the first place. Now, the second thing that you want to do is actually put your face in it, or at least someone else's face in it. Having a human face is a good way of showcasing the emotions that you're trying to convey with your text. The next thing is your background. Now, if you're going to use a background kind of like mine is right now, then you kind of want to blur out the background. It'll draw more focus on you in the text and keep people from focusing on the background. Now, a free website and tool that you can use is called Canva. Canva is an amazing place with all sorts of formats for different social media platforms. Additionally, there is a website called Snapple, which allows for 3 to 4 free downloads before it asks you to buy its paid program. So next, to target pioneer viewers, you want to create videos around keywords and topics that are really popular in your niche, and then you want to start trying to rank for those keywords. Now, in order to rank my videos, I use a free Google Chrome extension called Tubebuddy. Tubebuddy allows you to do keyword research in order to see how much a keyword or topic is searched, and then see the likelihood of you actually ranking on the first page for it. So it is a really, really good product to use. So the next thing you want to start doing is making sure you are making videos that people actually want to see. And what I mean by that is, think about your ideal customer. What is it that you're trying to sell to them? What is it that you're trying to help them with? When you have that in mind, you can then start coming up with questions that they may have, and you can start creating videos in order to answer those questions. What'll happen after that is your ideal customer is going to look for topics like that. And if you ranking in the video search, then your content is more likely going to show up. Doing the first 2 things should get you a few views, and then you can start using your analytics to see where you can improve or what you can start leaving out. Your whole goal for your analytics is to improve your audience retention rate. Your audience retention rate graph shows you how long your audience is staying on your video before they move on to a different one or leave the platform altogether. Analytics allows you to see the exact moment where people drop off and allow you to go into the video at that moment so you can see what was wrong. This graph is very important because when you see drop offs, then that's something that you can go back and improve on. And if you see up bumps, then that's something that you may want to think about creating a video around. All in all, if your video gradually drops off, then that's a good thing. However, if you're seeing like steep declines in your video, then that's a point in the video that you really want to work on. The next thing you can do to get your first 500 views is to use popular keywords from your previous videos. And I talked about this quickly in one of my previous videos, how to get more views to your videos fast. The way that this works is that when you create YouTube videos, YouTube actually measures where the majority of your traffic is coming from. It then separates it into several different categories, including YouTube mechanics like suggestion, front page, and notification, as well as Google, Bing, and different keywords. For example, one of my previous videos did well with the keyword how to get more views fast, and this is actually going to be one of the keywords I use in this video as well. Now, before we get into the last tip, I actually want to give you guys a bonus tip. You know, I really enjoy giving you guys a little extra piece, but today's bonus tip isn't actually to get more views, it's actually to make things a little bit easier for you, and that is to map out your content. And what I mean by that is, if you go back and look at my content from a certain point, you'll see that I start kind of tying in each content into each other. This makes the workflow a bit more easier because you're not trying to go out there and figure out what to do. You're just creating content that ties into each other before creating a different workflow and going on and on with that type of content. Now, before we move on to the last tip, in my next milestone video, I'm going to show you guys an epically simple way of making $5,000 while spending little to no money at all. And I will make that milestone video once I hit 100 subs. So go ahead and smash that subscribe button, and we're going to move on to our final tip. The final tip is way harder than the other tips, but if you can get it just right, it could bring in massive views to your YouTube videos. The final tip I'm going to give you is to aim to rank on YouTube, Google, and Bing. If you're able to rank in all three with one video, then that should bring you in tons and tons of traffic. Now, I've been able to rank on them separately, but never all at one time. Remember to tune in to my next video where I talk about what type of contents you as an affiliate marketer should be posting.